Let's see. Treasure! Finally, I'm gonna be rich! Wait. What? Come on. Oh. Come on! Ouch! Huh? Is that gold? Oh, right! Gotta check on the trail.
Oh, my little gold flake. Let's go, Daisy. Let's go home, girl.
Oh, no! Ew! Anyway, still gold.
What a beautiful weather. Huh? Ew, this beach is so pleasant. Nope.
Yes, miss.
It's too cheap for me. Do something about it.
Okay.
Much better.
Your cocktail, miss?
Awesome. But it's too sunny here.
Wait a moment, miss.
Oh, that's better.
Today's a beautiful day. I love this beach.
Hey, wait for me!
It's time to swim. Let's go, Ruby. It's too hot. If only I had money for shoes.
Here is your red carpet.
Oh, finally. What even took
Please?
him so long?
Oh, but I want to swim. All right, let's go. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, wait. Did I leave my stuff there? No. Ouch, ow, ow. Eeyore.
It's too cold. Alfred, fix it.
Don't worry, miss. I have this.
How dare she? Alfred, help me.
Don't worry, miss. I'm gonna...
Finally some cold. Oops.
Oh, looks like the water got warmer. That's better. Good job.
Wait, I mean, you're welcome, miss.
Oh, what a great day.
Oh, wait. What is that? Who's this old man? And why is he looking at my stuff? Hey! A thief! I need to protect myself. You won't steal my stuff, you dirty thief.
I think I heard someone nearby. Whatever. I better go home.
All right, let's put all this here. Try to steal my stuff now. Whoa! Whoa! It's heavier than I thought.
Chris? My hero?
Are you okay?
It's him! With her? Alright, now I'm gonna be a damsel in distress. Help! Help me, please!
I'm coming, miss! It's okay, miss. I'm here.
I didn't need your stupid help. I wanted Chris's help.
Oh, Chris, the rock star? Am I in heaven?
Wake up, girl.
It's you!
Get lost.
Hey there.
Is it me first?
No, he likes me.
No, me!
I'll go to swim.
Hold on. Huh?
Where did she go?
Chris!
It's because of you! Alright, I better hide my stuff now. Alright, and yep, just like this. Now no one's gonna steal it.
Huh? You won't get away with stealing my Chris. Let's test my new amazing sunscreen. And now leave a little message. That will do.
Ouch! What happened to me? Oh no!
Look at yourself.
It must be her.
Alfred, give me my amazing expensive expensive sunscreen.
Miss!
I can feel its amazing quality, but ew! Why does it smell so bad?
It's a healing cream.
You deserved it!
Let's check what's new. What's trending now?
Super famous rockstar Chris went missing today from the beach by the sea.
The fans are worried about their favorite lead singer.
We just don't understand where he could have gone. Find him!
Is Chris missing?
Oh! I need to use the restroom. Wait, no toilet paper. That will do. All right, let's go. Oh, finally. Let's read the news. Chris is missing? What? I have to find him. Let's go. Wait. Right? Now let's go. I'll save you, Chris!
Oh no! Just how could that happen? Chris, where are you? Hello guys! So as you know, our favorite rock star Chris is missing. So we're going to... Alfred! Fix the lights now!
I'm sorry, miss.
I need to make a plan. All right, let's see. I know. Help! Oh, out! Wait, this is perfect. Come on, please. Finally.
Potato chips classic.
Let's go.
It's too hot. I'm going to swim
Of
for a
course,
bit.
my lady. Be careful.
Chris, I'm coming for you.
I'm sleepy.
Oh, that was a bad idea. I'm gonna die. Oh, hold on. What is this place? What? Where am I? Help! Is anybody here? Help!
Stupid beach. Where am I?
Huh?
Oh, this is Chris. He's running to me. Look at him. He's so handsome. And I found him. Chris! Hug me, love of my life.
Finally, I'm saved! Coming home!
Wait. We have to launch a flare. Come on.
Oh, huh? No, wait!
Chris.
Give it to me! Huh?
Uh-oh.
What have you done? Great!
Wait! Where are you going? Chris, I'm sorry. Sorry. Are you listening to me? Chris!
Look around! We're on a desert island! We're gonna die here!
Die? Sure. I survived in worse situations.
So what are we gonna do now?
Let me think. Oh! You make a fire and I'll bring food.
Fire... what?
Where is the food? Wait, is this what I think it is? Finally some food. I have to find Chris. Oh, and these are, not poisonous. Definitely taking this. Chris is gonna be so happy. And what's that tree? Whatever. Huh? Come on. Whoa. Oh, my head. Huh? Oh, the coconuts. More food. Chris,
Oh, you're back!
check this out! I found them! Huh? Wait a minute! Didn't I tell you to make a fire?
Yeah. You look so beautiful today. Yeah, your eyes are just very...
Help! Somebody help! Please! Help me, please! Where am I?
Hey,
Chris, is that you?
are you okay?
I'm better now.
You want some water?
Yes, please.
Ruby! Bring some water here!
Huh? All right. I'll bring you the best water.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Oh, thanks.
Thanks. Let's drink for the safe return from the island.
Glad you're enjoying yourself.
Oh, that was so good.
Right.
Is something wrong?
Oh, it's so embarrassing for you, girl. Check out your teeth.
What have you done? No worries, I'll show her. I'll take my revenge, Ruby. Hope you like ants.
Let me serve you
Right.
a drink, Chris.
We'll see who's gonna cringe.
Yeah. Could you bring us some more coconut water?
That's never gonna happen.
Yeah, whatever. What is that?
Hi.
Oh, hey, what's up?
Oh, Maya. Maya? Maya? Maya?
You both look beautiful today, girls.
Really?
Yeah.
I really could use a bathroom. Where's the bathroom?
There.
Huh?
It's right there, in the forest.
Huh? There?
Isn't that too far away?
Oh, it's okay. Go, go, go.
All right, whatever. I can't take this anymore.
Don't worry, my lady. I'll save you.
Ew! But I really need to pee. No one's here, so. Oh no! Please no! Who's there? Get out!
Oh, there you are.
Alfred?
It's actually you. What a relief. I found you.
But where did you come from?
From there. I came from the city.
I thought we were on a desert island.
No, let's go home.
Wait. Come back. Okay.
Okay, on my way.
And that's how I saved the queen.
Oh, you're so
Hey, Chris. Look at this.
That's amazing. How did you do that?
What? Where did you get this from? I gotta do something. Hey!
Yeah, you got this, Ruby.
That's right. Check this out, Chris. Fishing is like a piece of cake for me. Check this out, Chris! Look how big this one is!
I'll show you the big one. Alfred, do your thing. It's so heavy. Whee!
Wow, you're amazing fisher.
Look what I caught, Chris.
Wow, it's even bigger.
Can't even catch a fish like this here. I know she's cheating. Let me try this. Where's Maya?
She went to get some fruits.
Oh, fruits. I'll go help her.
Come on. Gotta finish before anyone notices.
I knew she was cheating. Oh,
Perfect. Till next time.
Maya, I'll find out what you're hiding. Let's see. Huh? What the hell is this place? Why is everything... What?
More fruits, miss? Here you go.
How's that possible?
Who are you?
Where are we?
Ooh, are you afraid of Maya?
Hell, never.
Huh? Then who are you?
You're gonna tell me what's going on right now!
No. I'm sorry. I just came here to bring some fruits.
I will tell Chris.
I didn't know that you have such lovely eyes.
Chris! Get away from him!
What?
She was lying the whole time. We're not on a desert island!
Didn't lie. Why are you lying to him?
I'm not lying!
You're lying.
I'll show you. Let's go!
Wait for me.
What's happening?
Please answer my question.
Chris, please smile for the
Okay,
camera.
on an island, what happened?
Oh yeah, it was so tough. I had to kill the tigers, fight the sharks, provide food, you know, and those girls kept me locked up there.
Hot news! 2 girls beat up Chris and
We regret
see you on the
nothing.
next episode.
So many lotions. This one.
Here we go. That was a nice nap.
Burn! My sun cream. What? It's empty?
It's my lunch, but anyway, this yogurt will help. Much better. Bon appetit. Okay, we'll fix it. No. This water is warm. But I know some life hacks. Sorry. One more time. That's cold.
It's time to meditate.
Woohoo! Yeah!
Breathe out.
Sorry. Agent, we have a problem. Copy that. Bringing the ice cream now. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Ice.
3 hours later.
Oh my god! Is this even my voice? Oh no, no, no!
Bottle? What's that? Gotcha.
Where am I? Oh my god!
Is that my voice again? Luckily, I've saved my phone in a plastic bag.
What? No signal? Aha!
I got a signal.
Oh no!
That was not a good idea. Oh my god! What was that? Oh, it's you?
Guards, bring me my chair! Where's everyone? It's just my belly. I'm hungry.
I think it's wild animals, and they're gonna eat us. Oh my god, stop!
Where did you take this from?
Well, I've climbed the highest tree to get it for you.
Really? You're so brave.
Yeah, that's me.
It's getting cold.
Maybe you need this?
Seriously?
What? I always carry them with me. Already warmer.
I need to find a way to get out.
Poor dolphins. There's so many bottles.
Wow, it really worked. Time to go back. Let's go.
I can do this!
We're home! It feels good to be home. And I want an ice cream. Yeah.
Guys, leave me another one! Please? Thanks.
Here. Oh. Huh? That was a map. Maybe that's a new adventure for us? Huh?